Hello, I'm Maruk Said, your microbiology guide. Let's explore in-depth micro techniques and uncover groundbreaking insight together on this educational journey into the fascinating realms of microbes. Hello everyone, Maruk Said here. Today we are diving into the world of Fusobacterium, a genus of bacteria that is increasingly being linked to various diseases. Recent studies have established a significant connection between certain oral bacteria and the development of colorectal cancer. Specifically, Fusobacterium nucleatum, a bacterium commonly found in the mouth and associated with gum disease, has been identified in about half of examined colorectal tumors and stool samples. This discovery opens up the possibilities for new treatments and early screening methods targeting this specific microbe. Let's get into the introduction of Fusobacterium. Fusobacterium is a genus of bacteria primarily known as an oral pathogen. Fusobacterium nucleatum, in particular, is an opportunistic bacterium that is found in the mouth, where it contributes to dental plaque and periodontal disease. Increasingly, this bacterium has been discovered in various cancers, including those in the pancreas and breast. This raises questions about how it travels from the mouth to other parts of the body. Now let's dive into the role of colorectal cancer. Fusobacterium nucleatum is considered a normal part of oral, gastrointestinal, and genital microbiome. However, it infects the body through bites or other means, and it is particularly concerning for colorectal cancer. Research has shown that Fusobacterium nucleatum can migrate from the mouth to the colon, where it may contribute to tumor formation and chemotherapy resistance. So now we will discuss what are the key findings related to this bacteria. Prevalence in colorectal cancer. Fusobacterium nucleatum was found in about half of the 200 examined colorectal tumors and in many stool samples from patients with the disease. So, the subtype identification. Researchers identified two distinct types of Fusobacterium nucleatum, with only one, which is clade 2, being associated with colorectal cancer. So how does it survive in the gut environment? Fusobacterium nucleatum clade 2 was found to be more resilient in acidic conditions, suggesting it can travel from the mouth to the colon through the digestive tract. So how does it impact on prognosis? The presence of Fusobacterium in tumors have been linked to poorer survival rates and prognosis. What are the potential therapeutic applications? The discovery hints at the possibility of developing targeted treatments using modified versions of bacterium, which could be delivered directly into tumors. What could be the screening opportunities? The research also suggests that fecal test and potential even blood test could be developed to detect the presence of Fusobacterium nucleatum clade 2, allowing for earlier detection and intervention. So, what is the relationship between Fusobacterium and the diet? Diet appears to play a significant role in the prevalence of Fusobacterium nucleatum. Studies indicate that long-term consumption of red meat and high-fat diets can increase the proportion of conditional pathogens like Fusobacterium nucleatum in the gut. This bacteria have been linked to colorectal cancer, particularly in individuals with high meat and low vegetable intake. Interestingly, while Fusobacterium nucleatum is associated with cancer promotion, it may also have anti-tumor properties when fed certain fibers. Some research suggests that dietary fibers can transform Fusobacterium nucleatum from a carcinogenic bacterium into an anti-tumor one through the production of short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which has an anti-cancer properties. Fusobacterium nucleatum has been found in the endometrial tissues of women with endometriosis. This bacterium might travel from the genital tract to the endometrium, potentially targeting the disease. Next is rheumatoid arthritis. Higher levels of Fusobacterium have been observed in patients with rheumatoid arthritis. This bacterium can migrate inflammatory proteins into the joints, accelerating the condition. Third is irritable bowel syndrome. Patients with irritable bowel syndrome have higher levels of Fusobacterium, which may contribute to dysbiosis and increased pain sensitivity.
If you have watched till here, don't forget to subscribe to Family of Science Lovers. Press the bell icon button so you are always updated.
So coming to the conclusion, research on Fusobacterium nucleatum is ongoing and new findings continue to shed light on its role in various diseases. While it is clear that diet influences the presence and impact of this bacterium, further studies are needed to fully understand its mechanism and potential therapeutic targets. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this information helpful, please like, subscribe and leave your comments below. I'll see you in the next video.
Terminologies to remember and ponder.
Fusobacterium nucleatum, FN. A type of bacteria commonly found in the mouth, associated with gum disease, and now linked to colorectal cancer. Opportunistic pathogen, a microorganism that causes disease in individuals with a compromised immune system or when introduced to an unusual site, but not typically harmful in healthy individuals. Periodontal disease, an infection of the structures around the teeth, which include the gums, periodontal ligament, and alveolar bone. Colorectal cancer, CRC, cancer that starts in the colon or rectum, parts of the large intestine. Microbiome, the collection of microorganisms, such as bacteria, fungi, and viruses, living in a specific environment, including the human body. Chemotherapy resistance, the ability of cancer cells to withstand the effects of chemotherapy, making treatment less effective. Fusobacterium nucleatum animalis, Faniaceae, a subspecies of Fusobacterium nucleatum that has been specifically linked to colorectal cancer. Clade, a group of organisms believed to comprise all the evolutionary descendants of a common ancestor. Short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, fatty acids with fewer than 6 carbon atoms, produced by the fermentation of dietary fibers in the colon, which have various beneficial health effects. Butyrate, a type of short-chain fatty acid that is produced in the colon by bacterial fermentation of dietary fibers, known for its anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Dysbiosis, an imbalance in the microbial communities in the body, often associated with health issues. Endometriosis, a painful disorder in which tissue similar to the lining inside the uterus grows outside the uterus, often causing pelvic pain and fertility problems. Rheumatoid arthritis, an autoimmune disorder that primarily affects joints, causing inflammation, pain, and swelling. Visceral hypersensitivity, increased sensitivity to pain or discomfort in the internal organs, commonly seen in conditions like IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. Epigenetic regulation. Changes in gene expression that do not involve alterations to the genetic code itself, but are heritable through cell division. Apoptosis. Programmed cell death. A process that allows the body to remove damaged or unnecessary cells in an orderly manner. Prognosis. The likely course or outcome of a disease, often regarding the chances of recovery or survival. Hematogenous translocation. The spread of bacteria or other pathogens through the bloodstream to different parts of the body.